Let's look at function models in this section. There are two steps to set up a function model based on a given data set. Step 1 is to draw a scatter plot based on a data set. We want to draw a scatter plot. That's step 1. Step 2 is to find the function that fits data set with the best one. Here is the example. This example says that the following is the table of gold prices per ounce in June from year 2001 to year 2008. And then from the given data here, we want to do is to draw the scatter plot using the golden price against the time. Here the time is in year. We can see right here. And then we want to find the function that fits the data set best. Okay. And we have a third one. Third one would be, please use the function model to predict the gold price of year 2009. Here we can see the data set is up to 2008. So we want to predict the data, the gold price of year 2009. Okay. Now let's use Microsoft Excel to draw the scatter plot based on the data, based on the data set right here. Okay, and the following is actually the result we got. Is the result we got. Let's see how we actually got this result, this graph, by using the Microsoft Excel here. Now, to draw a graph, we need this data. And I have the data input in the Microsoft Excel already. We can see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 8. Stands for from the year 2001 to 2008. And the gold price is already input into the Microsoft Excel. They are all right here. The year 2008. Here is the 8 corresponding to the gold price, $1,025.79 per ounce. Once the data input, then what we can do is the following step. You want to first click on A1 and then drag the mouse to B8. So you mark this data set. Then you do insert, move the mouse right here. You then click on that, choose this one. You may choose different one as you like. Okay, but this one is the better scatter plot. So I will choose this one. Now you move your data set here. The graph here, and click on plus. Click on plus, move the mouse to the trend line. Do not click on that. Click on this arrow to the right. Then you can see they are linear exponential, so you may want to click on exponential here. Okay. All you may do is click on more options. Once you click on more options, you then want to click on those bars. After you click on those bars, then you want to do is to choose the exponential. Choose the exponential. Then you see the corresponding graph is the exponential graph of the exponential function. And then you want to choose the function, the equation. You want the equation shows up. And here we can see you want to click on this one, display equation on chart. Okay. Then you may do is click on chart title and type the gold prices. Okay, so in this way you then have the desired chart. Okay, this is when we get exactly like the one we get in the our ebook here. This is the one. So we know the equation is y equals 309.24 and then times e to the 0.1353 times x. That's the exponent. Okay, so here we have drawn the scatter plot, and we also find out the function that fits the data best. And then the third one, we want to predict the gold price of year 2009. So basically we want to do is plug in 9 here, substitute 9 for x. Okay, and here is the function. This function here is copied from here. All right. Now we want to plug in 9 here. Okay. Now we can use our calculator. And here calculator comes to play. Let me move the calculator a little bit. So let the calculator be in screen. Okay. Let me do is click on this one, and then calculator shows up. So here we like to do is turn on the calculator, click on y equals. I have the data equation already in right here. You can see here it's 309.24. That's the equation right here. Times E. E is, you do is second this log. You see the yellow part is e to the x. Okay, let me do this one more time. Clear? Okay, you do 309.24. 309.24, and then second log, not this log, 309.24. Then you do second, not this common log, this ln natural log. Okay, and then 0.1353, and then x, close parentheses. You have the equation input right here, and then you want to do is to calculate the value. You may want to do is second window. Make sure this one ask is highlighted, not this one. You see, to highlight which one you move the cursor to the desired place, move to autumn, you click on enter, that's automatic. You move to ask, hit enter, it's highlighted. Okay, so after you set up the table, then you want to do is second table. Actually, I already input 9 here and found out the value y. You may clear that. You may input the different value anyway. So here, for example, you may input 2, hit enter. That's the prediction for 2002. You may input 9 here. That's for 2009. Input 9, then you have a $1,045 per ounce. But you know, how can we get the accurate value here? How can we get this accurate? That's $1,045, 5 cents per ounce. You do is you move the cursor to this place, then it shows is $1,045, 5 cents. You round 7 up, because 7 is greater than 5, so you round it up. All right. Okay, please review this lecture. I'll see you next time.